28 days until part-time employment. Went to work today. Fridays aren't too bad at work. Not a lot of activity. A lot of people take off on Fridays. So that Friday is going to be a day when I go part-time. It's going to be one of the days I work. I'm going to work Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So by Fridays being so laid back, essentially it's going to be like I'm working only Tuesdays and Thursdays. The only thing about Friday is I have to show up. That's the hardest part. The hardest part, there's two hard parts. The hardest part is showing up, and the second hard part is the type of work I do waiting on a relief. I can't leave until a relief person gets there. Other than that, successful train ride home, uh, successful ride, uh, uh, successful train ride to the train station, successful drive home. Got home and I had to attach a downspout extension to my house and fill in a little trench area with some drainage rocks. Uh, Watered a little bit of some grass in the back. I put new grass seed down recently, so I had to take care of that. Wife barbecued, had some barbecue, some potatoes. Uh, Pretty good, pretty good. Uh, and other than that, it's smooth sailing. And a little bit, probably read out of a book for my addictions counseling and treatment class because I'm going to be a future counselor. And what we're doing now, we're gearing up for the semi-retirement, for the part-time employment, um, and it will be here in the blink of an eye. There is no turning back now. So I I'm taking a big step with this part-time employment, and you also, I'm not going to say should, but uh, you may come to a point where you consider part-time employment, particularly if you have other income from investments or just other sources of income. Uh, you may find, and I think you will come to find, that part-time employment is going to be a great way to achieve work-life balance. There's no more of this working 40 hours a week uh, or more to sustain living. That's over. That's done with. So I urge each and every one of you, if you're not working part time already or retired, to at least think about the possibility of going part time at some point. Of course, all of the options will be weighed, the pros, the cons, the advantages, the disadvantages. And make whatever choice that's going to be best for you. So just let me know in the comments if you've already been thinking about going part time, or are you part time already? Are you fully retired? What will, if you're not part time, if you're working full time, what will it take for you to go part time? If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I make the rules.